Welcome to OPS360. In this module, we will explore how to easily create task, assign, and monitor tasks across your teams and locations. Once you're in the OPS360 dashboard, navigate to the Task module. At the top of the dashboard, you will find a search bar where you can search for existing tasks by entering the task name. Next to the search bar, there is a three-dotted menu. Clicking on this menu shows Export option. If you click on Export, it shows Download successful. Once the file is downloaded and opened, an Excel sheet is displayed containing detailed task information. This includes the task title, form name, description, due date, location, assigned users, and current status. Next, you will see a team filter. Here, you can search and select one or multiple teams. When you select one or more teams from the Teams filter, the table displays only the tasks that are associated with those selected teams. This filter works specifically at the team level and helps you focus on the task on the teams you want to view. Any team you select will also be displayed in the Results section for easy reference, so you can quickly see which teams are currently applied to the filter list. After that, you will find Due Date From and Due Date To filters. These allow you to filter tasks based on a specific due date range. Next is Assign to filter, which lets you search and select one or multiple users. This helps you view tasks assigned to specific individuals. In Project Filter, you can search and select one or multiple projects. This allows you to view tasks linked only to the selected projects. Next is the Location Filter, which allows you to search and select locations to narrow down the task list. You can choose a single location to focus on tasks in one specific area or select multiple locations at the same time to view tasks across several locations simultaneously. In the Status filter, you can select one or multiple statuses such as active, in progress, completed, missed, deleted, or achieved, allowing you to track tasks based on their current state. Next, a table is displayed that provides an overview of all tasks. This table includes the following columns: Task, shows the name or title of the task. Location, indicates where the task needs to be performed. Assign to, lists the users or team members responsible for completing the task. Due date, shows the deadline for the task. Status, displays the current progress of the task, such as pending, in progress, or completed. This table allows you to quickly view, track, and manage tasks, making it easier to monitor assignments and deadlines at a glance. Next, clicking the checkbox next to the task header will select all tasks for deletion. To select individual tasks or make multiple selections, click the respective checkboxes next to each task. At the end of each task row, there is a three-dot menu. Clicking on it gives you options to view, edit, or delete the task. When you click on View, the task status page opens. Here it shows the form name. Next, here you can see the task status, including when the task was created, assigned, moved to in progress, and completed. You can also see details such as the assigned username, project name, and current task status. Next are the task details, where additional information about each task is displayed. This section includes the form name and associated project, the task's due date, assignment details, and a list of all assignees and followers. It also shows the task description, location, and timeline, allowing you to track progress and key dates. Additionally, a comments section is available for viewing and adding task-related discussions or updates. The comments section allows users to add comments for updates, collaboration, or tracking progress related to the task. When you enter a comment and post it, it shows as comment is added successfully and immediately appears in the comments section. This ensures that all team members can view the update in real time, facilitating communication and keeping everyone informed about the task's progress. Now, return to the Task Module dashboard and click on the three-dotted menu next to the task you want to edit. If you want to modify an existing task, click on Edit to update a task. The Update Task form opens, allowing you to make the required changes. Once you have completed your updates, you can click Update Task to save the changes. After successfully updating, a confirmation message will appear, indicating that the task has been updated successfully. This ensures that all modifications are saved and reflected in the task details for all users to see. Next, return to the Task Module dashboard and click on Create to add a new task. When you start creating a task, a form selection window will appear. Here, you can search for and select an existing form that is relevant to the task. If you do not find a suitable form, you also have the option to create a new form by following the instructions in our Forms module tutorial. Next, enter a task description that clearly explains the purpose, requirements, or details of the task. This helps assignees understand what needs to be done. After that, search for and select a project to associate the task with. If the project you need does not exist yet, you can create a new one by referring to our project module tutorial. Associating the task with a project ensures it is properly organized and easy to track. In the Assign to field, select the user responsible for completing the task. This ensures clear ownership and accountability. Next, search and select the required location where the task needs to be performed. Specifying the location helps assign the task accurately and ensures that all team members know where the work will take place. Next, select the due date for the task. Once you choose a date, it will be displayed in the form, indicating the deadline for completing the task. This ensures that all assignees are aware of the timeline and can plan their work accordingly. Next, you can select one or multiple followers at a time, who will receive updates and notifications about the task, and it's completely optional. Now, click Create to save and activate the task. And once you click Create, it shows Task created successfully, and now your task will appear in the task table on the dashboard, where you can view, edit, or delete it. I hope this video helps you understand how you can manage and work with tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.